We'll guide you through how to make Google the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Microsoft Edge. So at the moment, if I go and search something like GuideRealm, you're going to go and see we go and use Bing. Now this is because Bing is part of Microsoft, and of course we're using Microsoft Windows and Microsoft Edge. So it makes sense. Personally, I'm not a fan of Bing, I just don't use it. I really like using Google because I use that across my other devices, and when I'm logged in, it'll then go and sync up my search, which I think is really convenient. I think I just prefer the results Google gives and other things like that. And you are probably in the same position, which is why you're watching this video. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So to go and do this, you do need to come into Edge like so. And then when you first open it up, you'll see this page here. And you may also want this to be Google as well, which is going to be covered in this video. So we need to go and head to the Microsoft Edge settings. To go and do that, you want to go to the top right and you can go and find the three dots. This will go and open up this options list. You want to go and head all the way down to the bottom and you can go and find the option for settings and you can go and click there. Now this will go and open up. What you need to do is head over to the left where it says Start, Home and New Tab Page. At the top, it'll go and say On Startup and you want to go and select Open Custom Sites. Now for you, you aren't going to have this option here, so I'll just delete that for me. But then what we need to do is we need to go and add in Google. So you can go and press Add Site to the right, you'll get a pop-up, and what you can do is type in google.com, that's super key, press Add. So now on Startup, google.com is going to go and be used. But we also need to go and set the search engine to be Google as well. So that's used when we go and search for something. So what you need to do is come over to the left and you need to go and find the option Privacy Search and Services over here. Now you need to come to the bottom of the list and there you'll go and find the option for Search and Connected Services. So you can go and click there like this. Now we're going to have these different options here. We don't need to change any of these. You can if you want. But to get to the next place, we need to go down and press Address Bar and Search. Now, as you can see, we've got more options, but you want to go down and press on Search Engines here, and you're going to go and see the different options. So you can go and add your own in the top right, but Google should already be in this list. If it isn't, you can press Add Search Engine, and you can then go and add it in here. But we've already got Google here, so you can go and hover over it, press the three dots to the right, and you can go and press Make Default, like so. So that's it. It should now go and be changed. If we go and close out of Edge, I'll then press Search at the bottom and go and open it up again. You can go and see when we first open it up, it comes to Google, and I can go and search for GuideRealm when Google's going to be used. But also if we go and search in the top bar here, let me say go and type in GuideRealm, it's going to go and use Google as well. So it's no longer using Bing, and that's it. So you've now successfully gone and started using Google in Edge. If you found this useful and you've got the result you wanted, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel, not only covering Edge, but also loads of other popular browsers like Google Chrome. That's a really great browser. If you want to go and have all your bookmarks and things synced across your different devices, I really like using that. So you could consider getting Chrome instead, but Edge is still a really great browser. So that's it. And if you want to go and see any specific content, leave some suggestions down below in the comments. I'll go and look at them and see if there's anything we can do and take it on board. So that's it. I look forward to help you again in our next tech guide. We've got loads of videos we post every single day. So I'm sure you'll find something helpful, which is maybe already on the channel or which will come out in the future. So another reason to subscribe. But that's it. Have a great day. I appreciate your support on GuideRealm.